Yes. The next question is, what is chyme? That is given in your keywords. You will write it down directly from there. Question number D, how does bile help in digesting fat? This answer we have in page number 38 at the top. You see, bile juice helps in converting the fat in the food into tiny droplets so that enzymes can work easily on them. This much only. The next question, answer the following questions in brief. Explain the role of amylase in digestion of food. You can find this answer in this page number 38. Only write down this one. Amylase helps in converting starch into maltose. This will be the answer. Then next question, question number 2. What is the function of hydrochloric acid secreted by the stomach? That one, while teaching the stomach portion, I have marked there that hydrochloric acid helps in this part. Hydrochloric acid, where it is? No, this page. Hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, paragraph in stomach, you see, kills the microbes that enter with the food. This will be the answer for hydrochloric acid. Next question, what happens during assimilation? Assimilation paragraph, you see, you will write from here, during assimilation process, the digested food transported by the blood to all parts of the cells is either converted into products necessary for them or they are utilized for their activities. Then you will write up to this much only, that they are utilized for their activities. Then you can add up as an example. Example is, glucose is broken down with the help of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, energy and water. You can also write about amino acids and fatty acids. But basic answer is the process. In this process, the absorbed food is taken in by the body cells and used for different activities of the body. Next one, answer the following questions in detail. The first question is, write the functions of the following organs of the digestive system. This answer I have written down here, children. You please see that and you can take the screenshot and then you can write in your copy. First one, mouth. In the mouth, food is chewed with the help of the teeth. Second function of mouth, saliva secreted in the mouth by the salivary glands digests the starch into maltose. Second organ is stomach. In the stomach, proteins are digested. Number 2, dilute hydrochloric acid kills the microbes that enter with the food. Third part is the liver. Liver produces bile that helps in the digestion of fat. Next part is given, it is small intestine. Here, the digestion in the small intestine, the digestion of food is completed and absorption takes place. Last, that is pancreas. It produces pancreatic juice that contains enzymes for digestion of starch, proteins and fats. So this is the part I think you can see here now all together. You can take the screenshot, children. Hope it will be clear for you, and then from the screenshot you can write down the answer. Now next question is, list the parts of small intestine and their functions. In this one only you list the names of the different parts, because functions it is given in question number D, which I have written. I will give you that written part. You will note it from there. So, next, number C, explain the human digestive system with the help of a label diagram. No need of explanation, children. Only you will draw this label diagram in your copy in the white page. Now last question, that is, list the enzymes secreted by different parts of the digestive system and explain their role in the digestion. I am giving you this one. I have written it for you, children. You please see this table. Is it clear? Yes, I hope it is clear to you. The first part you see. Yes, I hope now it is clear. Part of digestive system, first column, second column secretion, third column enzyme, fourth column food acted upon, fifth column digestion of or product of digestion. You can see here very clearly, children. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, here. I hope it is clear to you. All of you can see very clearly. Next, small intestine has 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Yes, you can see very clearly all the parts, product of digestion. Then last part, large intestine, colon and rectum. Here actually no digestion takes place, only the last part, that is in the colon, absorption of water and salts takes place, and in case of rectum, temporarily here the food is stored till it is finally ejected out of the body. So children, see, I am showing it here all together. I hope it is little bit, yes, now it's clear. I think you can see it very clearly. Children, all of you, please copy down in your copies. So with this, now in your worksheet you can see one question is given for you along with the diagram. Here unscrambled words are there. Please try to solve it out. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Digestive system. Please learn all the definitions which are given in the black letters, and these equations also, word equations which are given in the stomach, in the mouth, in the duodenum. These all are the word equations. Please practice them. Yes, I hope this chapter is clear to you, and in your copies you will not write choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, true, false. You start writing from answer the following questions. Hope the chapter is clear to you. Thanks for watching.